Last month, I closed $27,000 in AI, not from cold outreach, not from running ads, but from discovery calls where the client practically sold themselves. And the crazy part is that anyone can do this, and I'll explain how in a second. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact setup I use to close 80% of my AI deals, the two tools, the exact workflow, and how I go from a 30-minute call to a proposal that makes clients say yes on the same day. Before I go into the two core parts of my setup, you need to understand how to properly even close an AI deal. You see, 90% of the time, you're not closing the deal on the initial call itself. It's done after the call is over. Let me explain. When you're dealing with a client for AI business, the process looks something like this. They book a call, you hop on what's called a discovery call. On the discovery call, you analyze their pain points and you even give them free advice on what they can do with AI to solve their problems. And of course, they're too lazy to genuinely do it themselves. That's just human nature. But this is you secretly setting yourself up as the answer to their pains. So you are kind of capitalizing on their laziness. I mean, think about it. You just spent 30 minutes diagnosing their entire operation. You told them exactly where they're bleeding money. You told them what AI can fix and how it can fix it. And you also told them the results that will come with the fixes. And now they're sitting there like,
okay, so this is great. Can you just do this for me?
The moment they say that, you got them. But here's the thing. Most people fumble this moment so badly, it actually hurts me. They get off the call, they open Google Docs, and they try to remember what the client said, like,
I think they mentioned something about
manual data entry, and their budget was maybe like 5K, 8K. They look at their post notes that look like this, chicken scratch. And at that point, you just lost the deal. Because when you have poor notes, your proposal is vague and your pricing looks made up. When your pricing looks made up, the client doesn't trust you, and the client doesn't trust you, they ghost you. Simple as that. The number one reason AI freelancers and agency owners lose deals is not because their skills aren't good enough, it's because their proposal didn't match what the client actually said they needed. And even though you were great on the call, the proposal is when you're actually proposing the price and showing them the timeline. So that's really what you need to drive home the most. I mean, I would be on a call, nodding my head, trying to mentally remember everything, and by the time I sat down to write the proposal, I had already lost 40% of the details. But that's when I started using Granola. Granola is an AI notepad that transcribes your meetings in the background. So there's no weird bot joining your call, no awkward,
is it okay if I record this moment?
Every supplying tense up. For some reason, I found out that when I record calls, my closing rate goes down. I don't know, maybe there's some correlation. But with Granola, it just listens to your computer audio and takes notes while you focus on the actual conversation, and that helped me a ton. Because now when I'm on discovery call, I am fully locked in. I'm asking the right questions, I'm reading the client's body language, I'm building rapport, I'm not scribbling in a notebook nor delaying the call at all. My call time went from like 75 minutes to now 45 to 30 minutes of actual, speaking with the client. And the second the call ends, Granola gives me a clean, structured summary, pain points, budget signals, timeline, objections, everything the client said, organized. It even tells me what solutions a client really wanted, so I can just put those solutions into my proposal. But this is where it gets really powerful. And this is a part that I was saying for anyone who made it this far, because if you're watching this video at this point, you are serious. Now, I don't just read the Granola notes and start typing a proposal. I take those notes and I feed them directly into Claude. Let me walk through exactly the process. So the call will end, and Granola gives you enhanced notes. I open them up, I copy the full summary, and I drop it into Claude with a prompt that says something like, based on the discovery call, generate a detailed proposal with the following sections: client overview, their current pain points, with estimated cost of each problem, the proposed AI solution or solutions, projected ROI, implementation timeline, and finally pricing. And within minutes, Claude spits out a proposal that is hyper-specific to that client, not some generic template, not some copy-paste nonsense, a proposal that references the exact things they told me on the call thanks to the pinpointed notes of Granola. So when a client reads a proposal that says, you mentioned your team spends 14 hours per week manually processing invoices at an estimated cost of $3,200 per month, they feel understood. They feel like you are listening, and that trust is what closes the deal. Because right now we are in a trust recession. There's so many different AI businesses that claim to offer the best solution, streamline operations, but they all aren't that good. But this is where I take things to the next level. I built a Claude skill called proposal that can create the proposals on the fly for me. So the moment I pass in my Granola notes, it knows exactly what to do. This saves my proposal generation time by at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then the next step is once the proposal is written, I use Claude Code to generate UI mockups of what their solution will actually look like. Think about this from a client's perspective. They hop on a call Monday afternoon. By Tuesday morning, they receive a proposal that perfectly matches their pain points, has ROI projections specific to the numbers, and includes visual mockups of what the AI dashboard agent interface will look like for their business. I mean, who would say no to that? It's like showing someone the house already half built before they even sign the contract.
Oh, Ritesh, I don't want to spend so much time building a solution.
Guys, it's just one prompt in Claude Code. Pass the proposal in, it'll do the rest. It's an unfair advantage, so please use it. And this process is so fast, the client doesn't even have time to talk to a competitor yet, which helps you close the deal before anyone else can. Now, here's the actual workflow that I've followed for so many proposals that have led me to closing $27,000 in AI deals just last month alone. Step 1, before the call even starts, I have Granola open my laptop. That's it. No setup, no configuration. It detects the meeting automatically. It even syncs to your calendar, so it will show you all the meetings that you have lined up. Step 2, during the call, I'm asking my 5 core discovery questions. What's the biggest bottleneck in your operation right now? How much time or money does this problem cost you monthly? Have you tried solving this before, and what happened if you have? What's your budget and timeline for fixing this? And who else is involved in the decision? And those 5 questions give me everything I need. And because Granola is capturing every single word, I can actually focus on the follow-up questions. I can dig deeper when they say something interesting instead of having to take time to write things on like a post-it note, right? Like I don't want to be doing this on my calls. So now, next step is once the call ends, I'll open Granola and all my meeting notes are right there enhanced and structured. I can even ask Granola questions about the call, like what was their budget? What is a list of objections they had? What are some things I should know for my proposal? And Granola even write a very mock proposal of solutions that I can include, common pain points, and that I can eventually feed into Claude. And that's where step 4 comes in. Those notes that are structured with Granola, I'll drop them into Claude Cowork and let my proposal skill generate a full proposal document. I'll tweak it, add my personal touch, maybe just the pricing a bit, because I have noticed AI loves overpricing solutions. So whatever price the AI gives you, that's probably the ceiling. And the next thing I do is use Claude Code to generate a quick UI mockup, even a simple wireframe or component layout showing what their custom AI solution would look like, which takes about 10 minutes. I mean, the impact of the client seeing like a visual is just so much better than a regular PDF. But even the PDF, like my proposal skill is pretty good. And with the meeting enhanced notes that Granola provides, the proposal alone has helped me close a lot of deals. But I have noticed when I do add that visual UI mockup, it just makes the deal a little bit sweeter. And then I send the proposal to the client and I don't wait too long because the clients usually will see the visual first. So,
wow, this is amazing.
And then they'll see the proposal, and if the pricing makes sense, it's a pretty quick close, like about 24 to 48 hours max. Now, if you are not using a note-taking app like Granola, I mean, you're hurting yourself because you're gonna make this proposal process way longer. You're going to make a proposal less accurate, and it's gonna result in a lot of deals missing out for your business. And then one thing I use Granola for specifically is I tell Granola to include specific language in the proposal notes. So instead of saying we'll build you an AI automation that can streamline your operation for $3,000, which I see so many AI businesses saying, instead with the pinpointed notes that Granola has, you can say you'll build an AI agent that processes your 200 daily support tickets, routes them to the right department, and reduces your response time from 4 hours to 12 minutes, saving your team approximately 35 hours per week. Now you can charge 10K, 15K, 20K, because the client can see exactly what the value is. And again, this is all because of you being able to pinpoint your sales call transcript into structured notes with Granola. And by the way, you don't have to use Google Meet like I do. You can also use Teams, Slack, Zoom. They all directly integrate with Granola, so you don't have to worry about which platform you're using. Now, let me be honest with you for a second. This setup is not magic. You still need to know how to run a proper discovery call. You still need to understand AI well enough to propose the real solutions on the call. You still need to understand AI well enough to actually build these systems and deliver. You can close a deal, but if you can't deliver, you're not going to be able to increase the lifetime value of the client. No matter how good your proposal is, if your fulfillment is horrible, you're going to miss out on a bunch of new deals that could have come through referrals or future deals of the same client. But I will talk about fulfillment in a later video. First, you need to be able to get your proposals amazing, written down to the best possible way they can be. So please be sure to use Granola with Claude, Cowork, and Claude Code, because this entire stack will help you create the best proposals on the market today. And thank you, Granola, for sponsoring this video, because I've already used your tool and now I can share it to the mass audience. If you want to see how to land your first client with Claude Code, watch this video next.